When the Sound Ideas team took on the production of the World Series of Sound, we visited many of the greatest cities in the world. In this video, we look at our trip to the city of Amsterdam. We began recording immediately upon arrival, capturing the distinctive ambience of the airport. We also captured many popular methods of getting around the city, including trams and buses. Of course, we also spent time by Amsterdam's famous waterways, where we were able to record the sounds of various types of boats. In search of crowd sounds, we visited pubs and cafes, and even more pubs and cafes. We also ventured to the train station, where we captured some great ambiences. And as in any busy city, a key part of Amsterdam's sound comes from its traffic ambience. Amsterdam is also known for its seashore. It was here that we were able to gain private access to one of the city's historic windmills. We even went into some of the darkest, dingiest corners of the city in search of sounds. Because Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.